How to set up a cPanel email account with Thunderbird. This tutorial assumes that you have already installed Thunderbird and have an email account with cPanel. Open Thunderbird. Click Menu and go to New to open a Dropbox. Now click Email. Enter your name. It will be displayed with your email messages. Enter the email address and password of the email account. Then click the Continue button. IMAP keeps email at the server and synchronizes the message across multiple devices. POP3 setting by default downloads emails from the server to your computer and deletes emails from the server. You can click the Options button and select any one of the options as per your requirement. Now click the Done button. Then click the Confirm Security Exception button. We have successfully set up the email with Thunderbird. We will learn to make Thunderbird the default mail client in another video. For now, we skip this integration. It is that email account which we set up. From here you can read, write, and manage your emails. Thank you for watching.